Concrete floor leveling robot is a high-precision leveling robot.
Concrete pouring stages.
High-precision leveling robot.
It integrates the traditional concrete leveling,
Vibrating, slurry lifting, and surface finishing.
traditional high-precision floor,
Requires manual spreading and repeated measurement and leveling.
with low construction efficiency, high labor intensity, and poor construction quality.
The concrete floor leveling robot
Adopts a high-precision laser system to identify and control elevation in real time, and intelligent motion control algorithms to control the operation accuracy of the screed to millimeters,
thus achieving precise control of the construction process,
ensuring the level and flatness of the ground,
achieving the integration of high precision.
and forming effect. This robot, it can reduce the secondary leveling of concrete, reduce material consumption and carbon emissions. The product adopts a lightweight design.
With a total weight of 250 kilograms.
It is suitable for tunnel cushion, floor, road, factories, basements, and second floor roofs, and other scenarios.
Equipped with high energy density ternary lithium battery.
With a battery life over 6 hours, it can meet construction requirements of more than 1,000 square meters. The robot's single leveling width is 2 meters. The comprehensive
Over 200 square meters per hour, compared with traditional manual work.
by more than 30%.